Start recording. Maximize. Okay. Maximize. Okay, balik tayo. Zoom. Dito screen. Okay. Demo ko naman kung paano mag-export ng part list. Listahan ng pyesa. File. Export. File. Export. Part list. Okay. Create tayo ng part list. Okay. Type name. Part list. PA. RT. Parts list. Okay. Nasa Eagle Projects Contest. Okay. Then, aking file open. Open. Okay, cancel. Punta tayo sa control panel. Okay. File open. Text. Okay. Ang text niya ay letter P. Click letter P. Part list. Okay. Ito na yung listahan na generated by Eagle. Okay. File save as. Gawin natin, pero gawin natin text file. .txt. Okay. Close natin ito. Punta tayo sa navigate natin. Folder. Sa desktop. Eagle. Project. Contest. Then part list. Open yung notepad na. Okay. Ito na yung listahan ng pyesa na kailangan natin. That's all for now. Maximize. Then, balik sa OBS. Stop recording. Okay. Stop recording.